Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm doing another lip swatch. So today I'm going to be trying out the Sephora favorites Give Me Some Shine lip sampler, and this is how it looks like. Very cute with the butterflies. Super cute. And as you can see, it comes with 5 products. So the first one is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream right here, full size of that one. It also comes with the Huda Beauty Silk Balm Hydrating and Nourishing Lip Balm right here, and then another full size of the Milk Makeup Electric Glossy Lip Plumper, and then it has a deluxe sample of the NARS Mini Afterglow Lip Balm, and then another deluxe sample of the Pat McGrath Lust Gloss right here. And then it says this is a value of $83 US. I don't remember how much I paid for this, so let me go on the website. Okay, so it's literally on here. I paid $34 plus tax for this, and it is still available if anyone is interested in this. I've only tried 2 of these already, and one of them is because I already have it. So this is them right here. So I already have the Fenty Beauty cream. I also have a video of this as well. I will link it if anyone is interested in my thoughts. And this is the one I have right here, and I believe this one is in Fenty Glow. Yeah, it's in Fenty Glow. So again, I will link the video if anyone is interested. And then, so I knew I was gonna have a repeat, but I don't mind because I love Fenty. And then I did try this one right here, the Lip Plumper, and you guys, this if you don't like lip plumping type of products, maybe give this away to somebody, because this is no joke. This is no joke. So I'm gonna take what I have on right now, and then I'm gonna come and then show you guys how they look on me. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go with the Fenty Beauty cream and Fenty Glow. I'm going with the one I already own because I don't want to open the other one yet. So this is how it looks like. I'm not really gonna spend a lot of time talking about this because I already have a full video of these on my channel. Let me come a little bit closer so you guys can see. Okay, so this is how it looks like on me. To me, they're very sheer, not a lot of color, but I do like them. I like the formula, very nice. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so hopefully around my mouth don't look too bad, because you know I am using a makeup wipe to remove the color, so it could be removing my foundation. Next one I'm gonna go with is the Huda Beauty Silk Balm. I do have a sample of this. I don't know where it is. I did remember I did like it. So it's clear as well. So this is how it looks like. It is a clear lip balm. You would think, because let me see if I could show you guys. You would think because of the packaging that you would see some color. Not on my lips. I don't know, maybe if you don't have, you know, as much pigments on your lip, maybe it will show. But to me, this is just a clear lip balm. I don't mind because I do have big lips, and I do try my best to keep them as hydrated, moisturized, soft and plump as possible. So I don't mind that it doesn't have any color. It is a thicker consistency, but it doesn't give that nasty line, because some lip balm that are like this, that are kind of thick, lip gloss and whatnot, you could see that nasty line, and this doesn't. But you do feel like you have something on your lips. I don't know if I want to say like Vaseline type of situation, but you definitely feel like something is on your lips. So again, just clear. This is how it looks like. Okay, so I am kind of like going in order from like the back of it. So the next one is the Milk Makeup Electric, but I'm gonna keep that one for last because sis do tingle. So the next one I'm gonna go with is the NARS Mini Lip Balm in Laguna. This is how this one looks like. Very pretty, and it does have like a sheer tint, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna show up on me. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Very sheer, as I thought. I could kind of see a little tint of color, but it is definitely sheer. This feels really good on, really good on. So again, you guys, if you're looking for something that is pigmented, so far this is not it, but I don't mind. You know, I like it, I don't mind. So the next one I'm gonna go with is the Pat McGrath Lust Gloss in Flesh 6. This one, it looks pigmented, so we'll see. Okay, so this is the Pat McGrath in Lush. Okay, so this is the Pat McGrath Lust Gloss in Flesh 6. So this is the one that has the most pigment, and it is thick just like the Huda Beauty. And honestly, with my gloss, I don't really like color with my gloss, so that's why I don't really mind that the Huda Beauty doesn't really have color. The Fenty creams, they're very sheer as well, and then this NARS sheer as well. This one has a lot of color, but it's still pretty. I think it still look pretty on me, but I don't really like my, like, if it's not a lipstick, a matte lipstick, I don't really like my lip balms, lip gloss to be super pigmented. I like them to be like a color like this. Like, this is the perfect color. I like my lip glosses to be, I don't want nothing that is like, I don't like lip gloss that are like super pigmented, because I'm like, you could just be a lipstick, in my opinion. That's just me. So this color right here is like the perfect color that I like for all of my lip gloss products to be. So again, this is the Pat McGrath Lust Gloss in Flesh 6. Okay, so the last one I am going to try is the Milk Makeup Electric Glossy Lip Plumper in Pump. This, they're not kidding, this has no color. I know it has this like red thunderstorm situation going on, but there's no color to this. I did try it on because when I got this, when it came home, my lips were so dry that I was just like, I'm just gonna try it. Yeah, this thing right here, she stings, okay? And I always compare my lip plumpers. I always compare my lip plumpers to the Too Faced lip injection. I have 3 of these. This is the Extreme, and I have 3 of these. This has nothing on this. I thought this was Extreme. This one, if you don't like lip plumper products, you're not gonna like this. Like, I don't mind lip plumper products like the Too Faced, the Buxom. I do have some other brands that, you know, they do have, you know, that plumping effect, but everybody is very familiar with the Too Faced, which is why I always, you know, go to this one when I'm talking about a lip plumping product. I feel as if this one beats it. So if you like stuff like this, I would recommend trying this so you could see how it is. And if you, this is the full size, and if you want to buy this by itself, if you don't, I would say if you buy this kit, give this away to somebody, because you're not gonna like it. Like, my lips right now, I feel it. Like, the top of my lips, I don't really feel it on the top of my lips, but I feel it like right here. Look right here. I don't mind it, you know, because I don't mind lip plumping products, but I know some people don't like them. I definitely think it's more extreme than the Too Faced lip injection extreme. And I actually had this on, like, before I started the video. This is what I had on, you know, because I wanted to remember how it felt like, and I think this one is more extreme than it. So yeah, and as you can see, it is a clear lip gloss as well. And let me tell you guys the prices for the 3 full-size products. So the Fenty Beauty cream, the full size, this is the full size. I didn't use the one in it because I already had it. So this one is $19. The Milk Makeup is $25, and that's crazy. Like, I'm glad I got it in this kit, because I'm not, because it's this, it's just lip products in general. I don't know about paying $25. That's just me. The Huda Beauty is $21. This as well. Like, my limit is Fenty prices. Like, I believe Fenty's are like $19. I feel as if $20 max is what I will pay for a lip product. Everything else, if it's not like in a deal, or if I'm not getting the VIB Rouge discount, I'm not doing it. And then the other 2 are samplers. So this kit was $34, so it's definitely worth it, but it is up to you on what you actually like. If you think these are gonna be something you actually would use. I don't think this was a bad sampler at all. I like all of them. I really like this, but it's because I do like lip plumping situations. If you don't like lip plumping situations, stay away. In my opinion, when I saw this kit and I saw what was in it, I knew, to me, in my opinion, it was a good value for my money. But you know, to each his own. You might not think that, but yeah, but to each his own. You might not think it is a good value for your money, but to me, I feel as if it was a good value for my money, because I'm getting a second Fenty Beauty that, you know, I could use later on. I do like this lip balm because I like my lips to be very moisturized and hydrated. I like lip plumping situations. And then these 2, even though they're samples, they're gonna last me a good long time. So to me, this was definitely worth it. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think. I hope this video helped. If you are interested in getting this, I really do think $34 to try these out, and getting 3 full-size product is definitely a good, not even a good, a great deal. But again, it's up to you, because again, they're not very pigmented, but that's what I like. So yeah, so thank you so much, you guys, for coming back to my channel and watching another one. You guys know I definitely appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.